going camping. This will be my first trip of the season, so I have a lot of organizing to do before that happens. Currently, I think I'm going to be taking this bag because it's the only bag I have. Right now it's got all my climbing stuff in it, so we're going to take all that out. Sleeping bag. Okay. Water bladder to be determined. Mochi needs her backpack, of course. Oh my gosh, my climbing stuff is everywhere. This is a screen protector for my computer. Oh my gosh. I need one of these. That's going in my kitchen. I think we're gonna be hammock camping. So of course for that, we gonna need a hammock. Even though I'm gonna be hammock camping, I like to bring a floor pad because it's nice to sit on when you're making dinner, and when you have a little princess dog that likes to lay on it, it's just helpful. So I'll strap that to the outside of my bag. So that's Mochi's blanket. Are you joking? I thought I had lost this forever. I'm so happy. Why is it in here? Anyway, headlamp, obviously essential. Hot tip, move your medications into a little Ziploc and then just label what they are. Because the containers that they come in are big and bulky, and this is much better. Don't go anywhere without a compass. I think this is like an extended first aid kit, if I remember, like a more like physical stuff. Yeah, so we got some moleskin, some gauze, some Neosporin, some alcohol pads, some tweezers, matches, a tick key. Yeah. Okay, so that's like first aid kit part 2. I have a pillow and a teeny tiny wire. Interesting. When I'm going on the longer trips, I'll bring a battery pack and charger for my headlamp and my phone, but I don't like having, like, my chargers are like 6 feet long, so I like having these little dinky ones. Super great for backpacking. Pillow, obviously coming with me. Best item that I own for camping. Oh, I have a number 2 bag already made up in here. Nice. Let me take a minute to explain to you the anatomy of a number 2 bag. So, listen up, class. Here is a number 2 bag. It is a smell-proof Ziploc. Inside the smell-proof Ziploc is a paper bag. Inside the paper bag is all the toilet paper you could ever need. Oh my god, that is not enough toilet paper. What? What am I gonna do with that? You dig your hole, 1 socket deep, 1 socket wide. You do your business. You finish your business. You put the toilet paper into the paper bag so that you never have to see it again. Out of sight, out of mind. But we need to put this in here so that you never have to smell it again. Put it in your backpack and throw the paper bag out when you get home. If you've done it correctly, your scent-proof bag should be unsoiled. You can reuse it again. So that's a number 2 bag. Do not leave toilet paper in the wilderness. That's disgusting. So I might strap this to the back and then my pad to the bottom of my bag. And hopefully that works out. If you don't know what this is, it's a chair. So that's all the gear that I'm bringing. We will plan clothing and food at a later date. I will see you there. We've got the bag packed. I decided to go with the Kelty chair because I can just strap it to the outside, save me some room on the inside. I've got my cooler cloth and Mochi's water bowl hanging off the outside here. Okay, this is my food bag. It is just a regular nylon bag with a smell-proof bag on the inside. We've got some rice, some oatmeal, some coffee, some mushrooms. Okay, this is the chair that I'm not taking, so that can go. I'm adding to my knickknacks bag a bottle of hand sanitizer and a charger for my headlamp and a charger for my phone. I decided to bring a little tarp because the tent that we're using is bottomless. So just in case I want to put this down to have something clean to walk on. It's light and small, so I figured it didn't hurt. All right, the last thing in here that you haven't seen yet is my cook kit. I am bringing a French press. This is what I just used in my house to make coffees as well. So that's pretty good. And I'm bringing 2 pots, one for oatmeal, one for rice. My camping partner is bringing a pan. They are also bringing a little scrap of yoga mat for Mochi to lay on. Mochi, no! Come here. Come over here. Sorry, everyone. My producer is still in training. You coming camping too? Yeah, you're coming. You wanna see what's up here? Good trick. This is a very good trick. Good job. You gonna stay up there? Is that where you want to be? You're so weird. This is the little pocket rocket that I use. It is a Primus, and my camping partner actually found this at a thrift store, and it was broken, but he fixed it. So bada bing, bada boom. Mochi is dangerously close to toppling this entire setup over. This is my water bladder. The last time I went hiking, I just kept it in here because I don't have an internal like pocket to keep it in. Oh, this is maybe not a bad idea, dude. Okay. I'm okay with that. Let's give her a whirl. Come on, let's go. Where are you going? This actually feels really good. I mean, it always feels good when you first put it on, but so the main things missing in my kit are obviously the tent, 2 mugs, some utensils for eating and cooking, and a little pad for Mochi, all of which my partner is going to be bringing in his pack. Thanks so much for hanging out. If you enjoyed this video, you might like this one that I made as well. If you've already seen that and you just like hanging out, click here to subscribe or click down there to watch some exclusive content on my Patreon page. I will see you next time.